Against the boundless sky, Spider-Man becomes a silhouette, leaping across the city rooftops with fluid, acrobatic grace. Below him, the city pulses, a vibrant concrete jungle where every leap is a dance of controlled momentum and heroic purpose. The hero who maintains peace in the city, Spider-Man, a voice proclaims, celebrating his unwavering vigil. City street alive with the vibrant sounds of daily life. But today, a new threat has emerged. A villain materializes, an ominous figure stepping into reality. Shattered glass, screams, and terror erupt as people flee and panic. Spider-Man launches a web, ensnaring the villain with lightning speed. The city watches, holding its breath. The villain is pulled skyward, a dizzying ascent above the bustling streets. A web binds him. Spider-Man's speed and web have saved the city, booms a voice as the villain dangles high above.